Hello, sixth graders. This is Mr. Ott, and today I'm going to be reading from a book titled Tools and Treasures of Ancient Greece. This book will be used as part of our lesson on the accomplishments of the ancient Greeks. The title of the chapter is The Culture of Ancient Greece. This book has a lot of cool images and a lot of interesting facts. I hope you guys enjoy it. The Culture of Ancient Greece. No ancient culture had a bigger impact on the modern world than ancient Greece. Its art and architecture still affect modern styles. Its thinkers changed the way people saw the world, and its government is a model for modern democracies. Art. Ancient Greeks valued many art forms. Artists painted on walls, wood panels, and pottery. Sculptors used metal tools to carve images into stone or metal. One of the greatest Greek sculptures was a statue of the god Zeus. It was 42 feet tall, or 13 meters. That's about as tall as a 4-story building. Down here you'll see a picture of it. The caption says, "The statue of Zeus was destroyed in the 500s CE. But this is how it might have looked." Now on to plays. The Greeks loved plays. Actors performed in outdoor theaters. The Greeks invented the main types of plays that are still common today. Tragedies had sad endings. Comedies ended happily. Down here you can see the Mask of Tragedy, which the man in this sculpture is holding, is still used in many theaters. Here's a sculpture of the man. Here's the Mask of Tragedy. Music was another common art form. It was played at important events, but people also played it for fun. Greek musicians had many instruments. The panpipe was a kind of flute. The lyre was a stringed instrument. The Greeks even had trumpets. So here you see a picture of a lyre. Here's a picture of a panpipe. Architecture. Most buildings in ancient Greece were made of bricks formed from sun-baked mud. But temples were made of stone. Stone is a strong material. It lasts a long time. So some ancient Greek temples are still standing. These buildings had a simple, graceful design. Tall columns held up the roofs. This design later became popular all around Europe. Down here you'll see these ancient Greek columns stand in the city of Corinth, which is in Greece. The Greeks also built huge outdoor theaters. Most theaters stood on a slope. The stage was at the bottom. Rows of seats lined the slope. This design made it easy for everyone to see the stage. And here you see a picture of the theater, and the caption says, "How are ancient Greek theaters like modern movie theaters?" So look at the picture. Can you see any similarities? Now on to sports. The ancient Greeks loved sports. Young men wrestled, boxed, ran races, and competed in the long jump. They threw the javelin and the discus. The Greeks even invented a 26-mile or 42-kilometer foot race called a marathon. And here you see a statue, and the caption says, "Wrestling was a popular sport for young Greek men." The Greeks held the first Olympic Games in 777 BCE. These games were very different from the modern Olympics. Only free Greek men could compete. The winners' prizes were wreaths made from olive branches. Here in the picture you see a winner of recent Olympic Games, and it says, "The 2004 Olympic Games took place in Athens. In a nod to tradition, winning athletes wore olive wreaths." Alright guys, well, that's about all I'll be reading today. I hope you guys enjoyed listening. and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.